Ito lang yung campground namin.
At nandito na nga tayo sa aming campsite, Lake Louise Campground, and we're staying at J1 Softside Unserviced Site. It means no power, no hookups, but all the nature and peace that we could ask for. The booking was super easy. It was all through Parks Canada website. Our site, this cost us $30.50 per night. We are going to stay for 4 days and 3 nights. We also added a campfire permit for $17 per night. It's actually included, hindi siya pwedeng mawala. Pag nag-book ka ng campsite, automatic, hindi siya natatanggal. Kaya lahat ng campsite merong area for campfire. Kukuha ka lang ng yung wood. It's already provided. Meron ding $11.50 reservation fee and 7.33 in GST, HST. So no PST here in Alberta. Sa Ontario may GST, HST, and may PST. In total, it was a great deal for the location and experience. Ang check-in dito is at 2 p.m. and ang check-out is 11. So kung 4 days and 3 nights kami, nag-check-in kami kanina, nakarating kami dito ng mga 5 o'clock. Hindi ka everyday mag-check-in, check-in. Mag-check-out ka lang sa last day mo ng 11 a.m. At dahil kanina, nagbili na kami online. So mabilis na lang, pin-present na lang namin ang aming copy ng permit.
For reservation, we are right here. You're going to take your first right, cross the bridge, take a left, followed around a J-loop here. Okay. You are surrounded by an electric fence over there. It's not 100% animal proof. Please make sure all food coolers, stove are away in your vehicle when you're not using them. Check out at 11 and enjoy your stay.
We can leave our car there and all the stuff, yeah. Right? So, nandito daw tayo. Take the bridge.
Take the bridge.
The bridge, right? We're here, we're crossing the bridge. So that's the bridge. Tingnan mo yung bridge, malakas ang alon.
Yeah, because it's windy today.
And then after bridge, take right.
Yan ang aming campsite, J1.
We also booked sa Parks Canada yung Discovery Pass for 4 days, which gives you access to all the national parks in the area. So for a family or couple, it costs us $22 a day or $66, no tax. The campground is just a few minutes away from the lake itself, and it's surrounded by towering trees, fresh mountain air, and the sound of Bow. Narinig niyo ba? Narinig ko yung niluluto namin. Bow River. Malapit lang siya dito.
Bow River. Huwag kang kakapit sa fence.
Nandyan lang. Ito lang yung campground namin. Ito yung narinig niyo sa gabi. Pwede rin mag-trail. Ayan o. Diba? Lake Louise. Lake Louise Creek. Meron din.
Ayan, Bow River. Tingnan natin. Tingnan mo, Ayabs, kung malamig tubig. Dito, pwede ka bumaba dito.
Ito lamig yung plant ko.
Yan, tapos si Kuya yun o, nangingisda siya sa sa tulay. May mga cottages din doon. Doon sa kabila yung mga RV. Dito yung mga nagtitent. Tapos ayun yung sasakyan namin.
Our site, yeah, is super spacious. You can see we have a picnic table here, fire pit, and just enough privacy from our neighbor there. Nakita ko ng mga Pilipino doon kanina, so we said hello. Even though it's unserviced, it's equipped with clean washrooms, drinking water station.
So, ayan, ang kuhaan ng tubig. So, potable water ito. So, pwedeng kumuha dyan yung van namin, yung RV van namin ay may galon ng tubig. So, ire-refill lang namin dyan. And this is the washroom.
Dito pala pwede maghugas eh.
Oh.
So, dito ka ba?
Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Sa akin.
May hugasan ng pinggan.
CR.
May sink sa loob. Hi! Oh, this is the washroom. Malinis siya. In fairness. Dalawa siya. Dito walang hookups or walang kuryente. Hi! Do you know where the shower is?
So just take a right here and it's at the very end of this.
Oh.
That's the shower for Jay, right?
That's the shower for everyone.
Only one, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Lagayan ng pagkain ko yan.
Kain ng...
Oo, pag may mga ito. May sasaran dito. Pwede magsasara.
Yeah. Nag-charge nga sila. Pero ano to? Lutuan? Ito lutuan yata to eh.
Yeah. Pwede pumunta dito. Para sa lahat to. Lahat ng J.
Mag-apoy. Pag may kukuha kang kahoy doon, sa apoy mo dito. Tapos pwede ditong kumain. Dito daw ang showeran. Nice weather. Maraming nagbabike.
Marami na nagka-camping. Nice.
Yan nga, galing si ate dyan, oh. Parang naligo si ate. Madami din nagka-camping. Ito ang showeran. Ito ang for the girls. Okay. May 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. May 5 showers and 4 sinks sa loob. Tapos, meron dito pang family. And 1 toilet. Okay. Refreshing.
$30 lang.
Kung nagpaplano kayo ng trip to Banff, so we highly recommend booking early sa mga campsite kasi napupuno siya agad.
According sa entrance, puno na eh. So, yung mga bakante, wala pa lang yung nag-reserve sa kanila.
So it's a prime spot for exploring nearby attractions like Lake Louise, Moraine Lake, and Icefields Parkway. So itong Lake Louise ay merong 2 sections ng campground. Hard-sided is yung for RVs and trailers with solid wall. It's open whole year round. Ito nga pinagsistayan namin ay part of the soft-sided section na bukas mula lang May 30 until September 24. Merong 210 unserviced sites. Merong flush toilets, may hot and cold pipe water, and sa shower, ang saya, may hot water.
Welcome sunshine. Nagre-refill na po kami at magtatapon ng basura, maghuhugas ng pinggan, mga pinaglutuan. Super helpful sa cold weather. Habang nag-iigib ang aking asawa, ako na may maghuhugas ng pinggan.
Tapos ang lamig ng tubig daw. Parang ano yung tumutunog na yun.
Potable water. Refill.
Medyo nung una nakakatanga to, pero nagturo sa amin. Para hindi lalagay mo sa ganyan. Diba? Para bar safe. Hindi mabubuksan ng bear yan.
Exactly.
Kami nga nung una hindi namin mabuksan yung bear pa.
Pinipress sa loob. Ayun nga kasi dito may kamay.
May instruction dyan. Sa iba wala.
Ito.
This campground is about 45 minutes from Banff town or 61 kilometers via the Trans-Canada Highway. Kung hindi kayo nagmamadali, you can also take the Bow Valley Parkway, which is a more scenic route that takes about 1 hour and 10 minutes with chances to spot wildlife and stop at viewpoints. So kami, Today, the only animal that we saw was chipmunks. So we saw multiple chipmunks. And the bird. We saw the bird.
Ay! Lumala ko yung ibon.
But it's called American Dipper. And it's a swim na bird.
Hindi siya ng isda.
Yes, it's Moraine Lake. Ah, yun pala may mga pangalan eh.
Tapos nandito tayo ngayon sa Lake
Saan?
Louise
Campground.
Campground Soft-Sided.
Yan, sa mga maghanap ng information, mga tourist, dito ang center.
One really cool and important feature of the Lake Louise Campground is the electric fence that surrounds the entire soft-sided section.
You can see it here. Right, electric fence. It says here, warning electric fence. So, yan yun. Kasi dyan, it's possible na lumabas ang wild bears.
It was built to protect the campers and wildlife. There are clean signs posted all over the place. There's even a special Texas gate at the entrance that vehicles can drive over, while pedestrians use a side gate. Hindi nakakatakot mag-camping.